Hi, Carl here. This video will go over the Modal component. So this can't be dragged onto the component view, you'll see it just disappears. You need to change your view up here to the Modal view, where you can drag your modals onto. You can change its body height. Oop, that's a little bit big. And its footer height if you want to add a footer. Someone requested they didn't want a footer, so I added this feature where you can hide it and it's just 1 pixel. So let's just call it 50 pixels. Got a footer on the bottom, and the size is its width, so you can have a small one, default, or a large. Just leave it at default. We'll change that to 400 and set its title to, we'll just call it settings. So to get this modal to this, well, we'll add some, let's just add an input field and a file chooser. Choose label. We can add a button here. You can add this, it's got to be inside the modal. It can either be in its body or on the footer here. And this dismiss property here, we can change that to modal. So when the user clicks this button, it'll close this modal out, same as this button would do here. So we'll change the value to close. I don't need to change its icon for now. And to get this to open, we'll go back to the component view and we'll add a button. We'll name it settings, like that. And we'll select from the target the settings over here, and that's what we called the title of the modal here. So on here you might have multiple modals like this. You can make the view a bit bigger if you need to. Like that. And you can add your modals here, so they're out of the way, they're not in your component view. And we'll switch back anyway. So we've got our target set and we want to toggle the modal, so we need to set this toggle property to modal, and the target is the settings modal that we want to display when the user clicks the button. So if we export that now, copy and paste into UBot, you'll see the buttons here. When we click it, we get the nice modal that pops up, and we can close out of it with this button here, or we can close out of it here. I hope that made some sense. Thanks a lot, Carl.